Hi, I'm Bob Alsop with ShopSabre CNC. Around here they call me Router Bob. It's time for another Router Bob Out and About trip. And today we're going to beautiful Honolulu, Hawaii. And we're going to visit KoAloha Ukulele and see how they incorporate two ShopSabre CNCs into a very successful business. Let's get going.
Okay. I like it, you like it. Crap. Can we redo? Bruh. ShopSabre. Son of a so close. It's always the last one.
Ready?
Let's go. Okay. So we're KoAloha Ukulele, and what we make is ukulele. So for people that are not familiar with what an ukulele is it's a modern traditional Hawaiian instrument with 4 strings. And the way that we started making ukulele is my dad is actually a musician by trade. It took him a while to go full circle, but Dad basically one day decided he's going to stop making music. He decided to fabricate acrylic out of our home. He did that for many, many years. And in the 90s, he decided, now I'm going to make ukuleles. So that's how we started. We're a small family business, and everything in our shop is handmade. My father actually custom made a few machines that we used until very recently, and we take pride in putting out a quality product made here in the islands, made locally here in Hawaii, and we just try to put forth the best thing that we possibly can. Being a small family business in manufacturing can be difficult at times because manufacturing is all about producing volume. It's making a lot of a product. It's coming off of an assembly line. So that's the traditional way to manufacture things. And we take a lot of pride in our things being handcrafted. There's a lot of heart, and all of that goes into our ukulele or our instruments. So anytime that we can take a technology or a new way to do something, a new way to produce a part, a new way to put the parts together, for us, it's always advantageous to think in those terms. And there's definitely a limit to how much a human can do and how fast a human can be. And it takes years to build those skills. So repeatability for us is key. And I've always been kind of on the forefront here in our company looking for a better way to do things. The pandemic hit everybody in 2020, and it's been an ongoing recovery process. But for us, it was really a good time for us to stop, take a look at what we're doing, look at the efficiency, and how can we make our process even better. When looking for CNC machines for our shop, I did what pretty much anybody else would do and jumped on Google. I did a bunch of searches. I read a ton of reviews. I read through user reviews. I read through anything, you name it, tech specs, everything. So I ran the whole gamut and did a lot of research. And at the end of that research, ShopSabre turned out to be pretty much the front runner for me. So I decided to give them a call. And the experience was just amazing, where it was easy, very relaxed. And I felt that the sales staff there was genuinely trying to meet my needs, which to me means a lot. So they helped me look through the machines and the options, and as far as specifically for the machines, what are available. And there's a ton of CNC routers and CNC shapers and machines out there. And a lot of them are very much the same. Some of them are unique, but we were able to find something with ShopSabre that was both budget, quality, and actually physical space-wise that fit perfectly for exactly what we needed for our shop. We decided to get 2 ShopSabre 23s, which was, at the time, actually, I thought it was pretty funny because there was a thing, I don't know if it's still there, but on ShopSabre's website that says, buy your second machine the first time, or something along those lines. And it sounds really corny, but I talked it over with my brother, and we decided, I think this is the route that we want to go with our company, and let's make the investment. Let's get the 2 now, because I'd much rather get 2 and have an extra machine for backup or for increased production, rather than buy one now, get it built, go through all of that, set it up, have it sent here, and a month later say, rats, I wish we got one more. So from the get-go, we got 2 ShopSabre 23s, and They have changed the flow of our shop. They work perfectly for our needs. They're a little bit, they're the smallest, what I would consider, I guess, like industrial machine, but they do exactly what we need it to do. And originally we were looking for a larger format machine because we wanted to do, put more things on the table, preload it, and just bang out a bunch of different parts, get the tool changer, and get all the bells and whistles and just go full blast. And it wasn't anything on ShopSabre's part, but we physically couldn't fit a larger machine into our small little doorway. So we ended up getting two smaller machines in place of one big machine. And while at the time it seemed like a compromise, it actually ended up working perfect because, again, we have a backup machine. I can run two machines doing two different operations concurrently. I can make two different parts, and these are examples of the two parts that we make. So on our ukulele, this is the fretboard and this is the bridge, both of which were entirely done by hand in shop. And it's a long, tedious process that takes a lot of time and effort to train a person. And while a skilled craftsman or a skilled artisan can produce a high quality part that would be close or even equal to what a machine can produce, it takes years and years and thousands of times for this person to do it over and over and over again to get to a place or a proficiency of excellence in that job. So it's really helped us as far as efficiency and consistency in the products that we make, where it doesn't require a skilled person to do things that you don't always need to have a person doing. So, and again, having two was just, I thought it was a compromise, but having two little machines that can both be going at the same time just worked out perfect for us. What I would recommend for anybody looking for CNC is understand what you're getting into first. And I think that's a big part of the equation where a lot of people, it's not limited to just CNC, but if you don't do your research, understand how to operate the machines, the software to operate and utilize this technology, it can be a lot to process all at one time. So I would suggest do your research, understand how to draw, understand how to program, read about the physical operation of the machines. And ShopSabre is great because there's a wealth of information online already. There's a forum. You can interact with other ShopSabre users, and you can always call their tech support, which is great. And they've helped me out on a few occasions where clickety clack over the internet and online, they were able to help me tune up my machines and get them exactly where I needed them to be. But it's in-house tech support, so you're not dealing with somebody that's in another factory somewhere else across the country. And it's the people who actually build and operate and set up these machines, and they know what they're doing. So knowing that I have that behind me when there's something that I can't figure out really makes a big difference. And it's just nice to know that they're there. Overall, I'm very happy with our ShopSabre 23s. We have two machines and they've been running for about 2 years now. Day in, day out, they help us to make ukulele parts that become these right here, like you see on the wall. And we may have to move our shop in a year or two. And my biggest regret was not getting CNCs into our shop sooner. And if we do have to move, what I'm gonna do next time is get the biggest, baddest machine with the tool changer, the locating pins, the vacuum table, and basically everything that they can throw on my machine, I'm gonna get. That's one of the things that you always wanna go get what you need from the beginning, so you don't have to go and try to retrofit it or put it on yourself. So if you're out there looking for a CNC or looking to bring CNC to your business, I recommend just take a chance, give ShopSabre a call, you'll be happy.
Well, I want to thank KoAloha Ukulele for allowing us to come to Paradise and sharing with us how they integrated two ShopSabre CNCs into their business. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you need more information, you can contact us at shopsabre.com. Thank you for watching.